NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh WiFi 6 System 73 Malawian Kwacha Setup. Step 1. Unbox and identify components. Unpack the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Position the router. Place the router near your modem in a central location. Step 3. Connect the router to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's one port to the modem. Step 4. Power on the router. Plug in the router and wait for the LED to turn solid white. Step 5. Position satellites. Place satellites in different areas to extend coverage, ensuring they are within range of the router. Step 6. Power on satellites. Plug in each satellite and wait for the LED to show a solid color. Step 7. Download the Nighthawk app. Install the app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Step 8. Launch the app and follow instructions. Open the app, create or log into your NETGEAR account, and follow the guided setup. Step 9. Name your network and set a password. Customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password during setup. Step 10. Test connectivity. Ensure all devices connect to the new network and check signal strength in different areas.